Okay, so I am staying in room 922. So this one is 2 double beds. They do have kings available. Nice spacious room. If we come over here, there are plugs, which is really nice, and a couple of USB ports too. Alarm clock and lights. Nice size TV. Haven't checked it yet to see how good it works. Ice bucket. A table. Okay, we come out onto the balcony. We have 1 chair and 1 table. And the view. So that's the convention center. I'm here for a conference, and so I will be walking over there every day. That tall building there is the new Westin Hotel they're building. And over there is the port. Let me zoom in, and there is the Celebrity XL. It's going out later today. And I have a nice view of the bridge and the highway. The bathroom has the double doors that you got to make sure they're on the track right, or you can't open them back up. Typical bathroom, nothing special, but it's nice. Good size sink, mirror, of course the toilet that we all need, and the shower. Shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And there's a rain shower and a wand. So it's very roomy. You could probably get 3 or 4 people in there if you needed to. The closet is nice. You open the door, the light comes on. And they do provide hangers. And there's some space there to put your shoes or whatever you need to on there. And there's an ironing board, and I haven't seen an iron, but surely they would have an iron. In here, they do have a little mini fridge. I've already put 2 waters in there. And drawer space. And here is your little coffee maker with some coffees and some teas. I guess there's tea. No, I don't see any tea. It's just coffee. So this is room 922 at the Hilton.